Hello students, in this video I'll teach you some basic tools in Animate CC and we'll create an artwork using those basic tools. So, to take a new file, go to file and you can see the option new, or you can create from here. So here we'll use this as our standards 1920 by 1080, frame rate 24 frames. So click on create. Okay. So this is our stage in Animate CC. This is called as a stage. To zoom in and out, you can use Control plus and Control minus. Control plus is for zoom in, Control minus is for zoom out. Or you can use here also. So if you want to fit the stage to your screen, you can use this option, fit to window. And here you will be having timeline. So timeline for this artwork, it is required. When you won't do any animation, we'll create just a background. So we'll start with the artwork. So this is move tool. It will be useful for selection or moving the objects. This is called as move tool or selection tool, anything. So here we have some shapes which is useful to create artworks. So every time it won't be useful, but maximum. Whichever tool is easy to make your artwork, you can use that. So okay. And as you take this tool, here you can choose the color which you want. Here there is no background color or foreground color. This is called fill color, and this one is for stroke color, means outline. So here you can see the swatches, default swatches. If you want more color, you can click on this colorful ball here. You will get a color picker. So here you can choose the color and you can choose the shade here, same like other software. Okay. So I'll show how this tool works first, then we can create our artwork. So I'll pick one random color with outline. So I'll create a square. So to create a square you need to hold shift. Then I'll take this move tool. Here as you can see, the shape, it is very flexible to use in this software. Like how we see, we can use this move tool for moving object. You can select like this, or you can double click. You can select like this and you can move. Here we can separate the objects like this. So everything will be like a separate object, and you can use like this and you can bend it like this using this move tool or selection. This is the one advantage. And what happens if you overlap like this? If you overlap objects like this, the previous one will be merged according to the overlapping shapes. So remember that you need to plan and use these tools. So to avoid this option, you can use object mode drawing. This is the object mode drawing. So you can enable that and you can create the artwork. So as you can see, I have used the object mode drawing. So if I overlap also, it won't get merged. So I'll create a cityscape. On that we'll create one sky. So don't worry if it is going outside the stage also, it doesn't matter. So you can create outside the stage also, only it will be rendered the scene which is inside the stage. So there is no need to worry. Actually when you create background, you need to create little bit big only. When you are animating, it will be useful for camera zoom in or parallax or anything. If you want to change the colors quickly, you can use color panel. So go to window and switch on the color panel. As you can see, there is an outline in this rectangle. So if you want to remove the outline or stroke, you can select the object, go here and click on this none. So it will remove the strokes. You can use this transform tool. So this tool is used for scaling and rotating. So here there is one hidden tool. So if it is hidden, you can see here 3 dots. So use this pencil tool. So just for a pencil freehand drawing. Don't use brush tool. Why I will be telling in the next session. So pencil tool. Okay, you can see here you can pick the color just for reference now. So I have drawn one object, and to fill the object you can use the fill tool. So shortcut will be K, or you can select the object and you can pick the color, not stroke color. You can go to fill color and choose the color. As you can see, this object I need it at the forward, so this one is overlapped. So this is one good thing when you draw using object mode. You can arrange them back and forward. How? So I need to bring this forward. Select this, right click, arrange, and bring it front. You can use this. As we are creating a cityscape, we'll create some buildings, and here you can see the layers. So you can hide the layers. You have seen in other softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator. So you can hide the layers like this, and you can create a new layer here. So I'll create a new layer and I'll hide this for now until I create the buildings. So buildings you can create in any style. It's your idea. Take a reference or create your own buildings. Anything is okay. So use basic shapes. You can use Ctrl D to duplicate the object. So now, as you can see, there's a irregular gap in between. You can use align tools. Select this window, you can see align, and use this distribute. Neatly it will be aligned. This is one good option, you can use it. If you observe, I need to select individually. So I don't want to select again and again, so you can group it. Ctrl G, so that one click it will be selected. Okay. So here there is one more important tool, line tool. You can draw a line and you can deform it. So I'll select this and I'll group this, and again I need to arrange this. Send to back. Send this back. To go inside this. To re-edit, you can go inside the group and you can re-edit like this. Okay, so you can't fill color to the group. See, you can't even use fill tool also on the group. So if you want to change the color, you need to go inside the object group and you can select the object, then you can change the color. So now I have created this building. Ctrl G, I'll group it so that I can easily select and move it. If you want to re-edit, you can go inside and re-edit. So this is one type of building. I need some more buildings. I can't keep only one building as the one cityscape. So we'll create some normal buildings, like only using rectangles, different colors, and play with the variation, gray variation. So in this object mode, whatever you create, it creates above the previous object. So you need to arrange manually. Using rectangle and circle, you can create a simple railing like this. Make it one time and you can duplicate it for multiple times like this. create some trees, you can use this pencil tool. So freehand drawing. So remember one thing, so if you give any small gap, you can't fill any color. See, we can't fill the color using fill tool also, can't fill. So remember that, and try to avoid giving gap. Okay, as you can see, I have completed the cityscape using basic shapes like rectangle, ovals, and I have used the pencil tool. So even you can try this, create the cityscape. So in next video, I'll teach how to create a landscape using the line tools and basic shapes. So we'll continue this in next class. Thank you.